Hey guys, it's Alan. Welcome to today's video. In my hand right now, I've got a package from Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're going to be changing the side markers on my car. I've got these orange amber colored lights. Got a package of clear ones, so let's go open this package and see what we got inside. Yeah, so it's like nice and wrapped in bubble wrap. Let's check one of these out. Got the protective film on it. Looks good though. It's already got all the cables, the harnesses hooked up, so it's pretty much plug and play. So it looks like here on the lid, there's a QR code for an install guide, business card, stickers. Yeah, cool stuff. I just took off all the T25 screws on the inner fender. I read the directions that it said on the lid. Those are actually, I guess for Carreras, at least for the 718s, you don't need to do that. They just pop right out. You know, don't read the directions and go get your T25 head and a flat head prying into your inner fender, because you don't need to do that. With the 718s, they'll just pop right out. Here's how you do it. You're gonna pull from the wheel well side first, and you're gonna pull from top and bottom at the equal strength, and you're just gonna, there it goes. So I had to fight this thing. I kind of looked online, see like how everyone else's experience was, and it seemed to be like 50-50. Some people are just fighting and fighting. The other people, it just pops right off. So if you're lucky, yours could just pop right off, but I was kind of worried about breaking it. I'm trying to be gentle with it. So now that we've got the side marker loose, we're gonna take this wiring harness off of this so we can connect it to the new one. And you're gonna push right on this back side, push on it, then it should just pop right off like that. So as you can see, we just got rained on like out of nowhere. It's only in the rain in a second, so the electrical should all be fine. Yeah, listen to this. We're gonna finish the rest of this video inside.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
I wasn't sure what this resistor was for, but I think the old amber lights are not LEDs and these are, and I think that's why you need these. I mean, you can take it off, but I wouldn't do that. I'd just tuck it in, but we'll find out. I'm just gonna tuck the resistor somewhere back that way, and then I'm gonna connect these harnesses. Once you get the electrical harnesses plugged in, you're just gonna tuck it in. You're gonna tuck in the side of the wheel well first. This side first, then push this side. What helped me when I was trying to push this in, I was pushing on this side and it felt like the side was pretty tucked in, but I wasn't able to push this side, like clip it in. What I had to do was I had to kind of pull the side marker in that direction towards the wheel well, and it kind of slid in. That's what helped me. I've got it in. Looks like it's in good shape and it looks like how it should. I just didn't hear any like clicks to like make sure that like it's in place. So I'm not finding a secure click or anything. It just kind of fell into place. I don't really know. It feels solid. I'm gonna see if the light even works. Oh fuck yeah, look at that. Nice. Looks good. I like the way it looks.
Me too.
I think they turned out great. I know that's kind of a personal thing, so let me know down in the comments what you thought about it. I think this is a big upgrade on the looks. I like the way it looks. Yeah, and there it goes with the light off. These clear side markers that I got from Flat 6 Motorsports are a little bit different from the OEM amber lights. These are the RS style lights, so these have a little bit of a protrusion. So you'll notice that from the body, it kind of sticks out a little bit. Yeah, so that's a personal thing. That's kind of just up to you what you like. I'm a pretty big fan of it. I like it, and I think overall, the look of the clear side marker is good. Still like an amber color, like a turn signal would be. But they look great, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Come on, you're so close. So this side came out a lot easier than the other side. It kind of helped to see like the inside. So we're just gonna take this harness off, just like we did the other side. There we go, got her off. This was long overdue. We needed to do this a long time ago. Let me know, what do you guys think? Between this orange and the clear, let me know what you guys think. Which one looks better?
Subscribe if you like the clear one better, and then subscribe if you like the orange one better.
I think I mentioned a little bit earlier, I was talking about how this resistor comes off. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. That has something to do with the LEDs. I was thinking about almost taking them off because the amber ones didn't have them. And I was like, well, I don't know why these would need them. Don't do that. You need them. Okay. Now, pull it back. It's in. Yep, it's on. Turn signal. With that being said, this was kind of a battle. A lot of people online said it was easy, and a lot of people said they were fighting. I had one of them where I was just beating it to death the whole time. Hopefully on yours, it's just gonna pop right off and just snap it right back in, but mine was a fight. This side went on just fine. The other side, I struggled. The prongs of the harnesses weren't straight from factory, I believe. I mean, I don't think I did anything to mess them up. I had to kind of bend the prongs back to plug it in. That's okay. It plugged in and it works and it's all good. Hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough of me changing the side markers. This was a lot tougher than I expected it to be. I thought it was just going to be a pop it out, throw it on, plug it in kind of a deal, but it wasn't that easy. I hope you guys watch this video and see what you're getting yourself into. Maybe you can learn a thing or two from what I did, and maybe you guys can do it better. That's what this is for. I'm not saying that I'm doing it perfect, but I'm just showing you guys how I did it and the difficulties that I faced while I was doing it, so that when you guys can do it, you guys can maybe do it with few errors and maybe use a little less time. I'm pretty happy with the side markers. They look, I mean, amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of the side markers. I like the clear ones. I think they look a lot better than the amber color. Also, let me know what you guys think of the protruded lenses over the OEM where it's flush with the body. I personally like the RS style where they stick out a little bit, but you know, that's all kind of personal preferences, and I like to hear what you guys think. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section, and like and subscribe if you found this video informative, and I'll see you guys in the next video.